Why buy your next vehicle from Community Motors of Mason City?
Great service from 3 locations: Community on Monroe, Community Motors Westside, and Mason City Ford. 10 new franchises and hundreds of vehicles to give you more choices. Plus, Community offers an exclusive 3-3 warranty on pre-owned vehicles and 10-year, 250,000-mile warranty on new. Need more reasons why? Stop or visit CommunityAutoGroup.com.
'Cause nobody beats a community deal, nobody.
My name is Sandra Cervantes. I live at 1213 6th Street Southwest. We were at the landfill meeting last week, and I know this is a done deal with the project that was to come forward and everything, but anyway, I was at that meeting, and it was a life-changing thing for me, which sounds kind of strange, I suppose, but I tell people that I know, and my grandchildren, my daughter, I've said this, that sometimes you get do-overs in life and sometimes you don't. And first impressions are something that is always there. You can't change that. And I asked 4 people at the board why they voted the way they did, and I told them I wasn't a reporter, I wasn't writing a book, I was just curious. All 4 answers were: 1, the letter that was sent out by Mr. Tornquist; 2nd, the way he presented himself at the board; and the 3rd one was how fast it was rushed. Okay, and these are just things that were brought to my attention. The other thing is that sometimes with all this that went on, I looked at a gentleman at that board meeting that had the weight of the world on his shoulders to have to make that last vote decision. I was up at 4:30 in the morning the next morning thinking about that gentleman and everything that went on. And it got to be where it wasn't against, you know, we want to win, you want to win. It was the seriousness of everything that was going on. And I just want to say that sometimes I may not have presented myself in a way that was honorable as far as addressing Janet. I believe she should have been at the meetings, and I'm not saying that, I'm not taking that away. What I'm saying is that sometimes how I spoke to her, I would have never allowed my daughter to speak to me that way. And I certainly would have never spoke to my mother that way. So I did it publicly, and I'm going to do it publicly to apologize to you for the way that I did speak to you. And here again, I believe what I said, but I could have done it in a more professional manner, and for that I'm sorry. And who I learned that from was my husband had a thing that came up this week, and he showed me what an honorable man he is. I had an 8-year-old grandson that was just horrible one night, and I got him in the van, and I said, "Cole, I'm so embarrassed by how you acted." And he started crying, and my patience with him was pretty short. And I said, "What's the matter now?" And he goes, "Grandma, I'm sorry, but I can't go back in there and apologize. I'm too embarrassed. I just can't go back in. I want to." I said, "Cole, as they walk out the door, you can go up to them and you can tell them you're sorry." He waited until they came out the door, and one by one he walked up on his own and apologized to them. When he got back in the van, I told him, I said, "Cole," I said, "You've made me a very proud grandma, but I said, you showed me what kind of character you have. And I go, it makes me want to be a better person." So when I sat there and watched Tony Nelson make one of the major decisions in his life he'll ever have to make, other than personal things in his home, and to see an 8-year-old boy be heartbroken and then get in the car and be so relieved and say, "No, Grandma, we're going to have a good night tonight." Because he goes, "I feel like a queen. I mean a king." You know, and that. And the other thing is, you know, we have debates, 5 minutes lasts forever, but up here it doesn't last that long. But anyway, I just want to say that a lot of this stuff is not personal. I want the best for Mason City, and you guys want the best for Mason City. And I'm not saying we're going to always disagree and everything, but I just want to say that I want to kind of put forward a new foot and say I'd really like to work together and do what's best for Mason City. Thank you.
Hey, Mr. Reyes.